My name is Mike Canoe, owner of California Lifestyle Screens, and also the distributor for the Western region for PCA products. And then today, I'm going to show you how we're going to put this door together. Make sure the grooves on both on the inside, like so. So it comes with corner keys on both sides, and they both slide in to the vertical pieces of our door. Yeah, so it comes with these screws, hex heads, about 1/2 inch long, and they're made to be put into the doors and to hold the corner keys. And by starting on the outside, it draws the door together. So 4 total on each corner. And again, do the outside. And we'll flip the door and we'll go to the other side. Okay, once we get this all done, the next, we'll turn the door sideways and we add our 1 3/4 inch push bar. So you just put your screws in. The door doesn't come with screen in it. What happens is when you order your lifestyle garage screen door, you order it door delete, which means you're not going to get a door for the center. And they send you screen, extra screen for the center, and then spline. And the spline is just part of the door that you put together on the lifestyle. So what we do is we lay down the screen and roll it down a little bit, and then you just roll away. It rolls right into place. And as you're rolling, you can pull the spline, but not too hard. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side, the other end of the door. What I do is I pull on the door because I want my screen to be taut. And again, I run my roller in there, and then I start with my spline with the oval part up. And I just do the one little section first. And then as I go, I pull the screen to get it taut because I want a tight screen. And now that screen's tied in now. And then we trim off the spline on the other end, push it in, and we can just pull this one tight so we don't have any ripples or anything going on. And we just go down with the spline all the way down. So the next thing we're going to do here is cut the screen. On our PCA doors, there's a groove inside, right above the spline, to where run your blade all the way across. And there we have our screen door ready to install into our lifestyle door. Okay.